Hey everybody, welcome to Kitchen Journeys with Lori. Let's make some ice cream. Got 2 cups of frozen blueberries, a package of Greek yogurt, banana, vanilla, milk, and chocolate chips. I put most of my ingredients in the food processor, including my blueberries and banana and yogurt, and a cup of milk, and then a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, I'm going to add some chocolate chips. I've added 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. My ice cream has been in the freezer for about an hour and I'm ready to eat it.